Alright, so we've got this E-van, which is a pretty neat looking electric van. He's got a few things. One, his screen only seems to work when you look through a Polaroid glass at it, which that's kind of interesting. But the other big problem is that it doesn't go. And we had water. He says water comes in and drips on this part. It's a fancy magnetic key fob here to start it. So we're going to be investigating him in the next few days. Let me show you what he looks like from outside. That's a fine looking car, or van. Anybody know anything about these? They should let me know in the comments. We're looking for, in particular, we find somebody that worked for the company that made these. E-Star. It's got the normal J1772 charging plug.